you?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing really great. And what about you?
I'm doing really great, but you don't look great. Your voice is not like I feel that you have some cold and cough.
No, 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 it's not like that. Actually, I went to tuition and just now I got back home. So maybe that's why I was teaching a kid, so I had to scream a lot there because she's a
Okay.
kid.
Okay. Oh my God. Yes.
Okay,
So
so
how
ma'am,
your YouTube channel is working?
uh, my YouTube channel is not working, but your video got 900 plus views.
Oh, that's amazing. That's great.
Yeah, that video was yeah, but I'm not able to increase my subscribers. I have only 173 subscribers, so like it's not
Okay.
going good. And I'm not uploading videos regularly. I'm not
Mhm.
consistent, so that's why maybe.
That is the only reason. If you will be consistent,
And
100% you will
one
get the result.
thing is, you can say that there are a lot of comparisons in YouTube because all the cool learners are uploading conversational videos. So how many people will watch? So that's
Exactly. That's
so I
absolutely
think
true. There's a lot of competition nowadays.
out of competitions, yeah. So I think
Mhm.
I should choose another topic, like another content for making videos, for uploading videos.
Okay, okay, that's great. Even you know what, I have never thought of uploading the videos related to English. My personal intention, I wanted to become a YouTuber, but not in this particular field. I wanted to become a
Yeah,
YouTuber in vlogging. I love doing vlogging and all, uploading day to day life with the audience, sharing everything. So, but you know what, I have tried a lot, but maybe it is my destiny that I got success in this, and that's why I'm
yeah,
continuing this. But alongside, I have created another channel where I'm fulfilling my own wish. Personally, I would like to create vlogs and daily routine and all. So this is what I'm doing apart from that. That's my passion. Yeah.
yeah. Even
So
I have read many comments that people comment that try to make blog videos, English blog videos, so we will increase your viewers. Otherwise, same videos all the people are making. So like this is how we can't increase our viewers. We can't be successful in the field of YouTube. So we have to make another content. Like we have to do something different to become successful in YouTube.
I completely agree with you, but there is one more thing I would like to share. People wanted to listen a fluent speaker. Does not matter
Yeah,
what the speaker is saying. Maybe he or she saying repetitive things again and again, but people wanted to listen them just because they want to learn the art of speaking like them. I would like to give you an example. Like, there are many good YouTubers on YouTube. They are uploading same kind of content again and again, but the way of speaking, but the way of pronouncing few words and presenting themselves, it's amazing, and people want to
yeah,
learn that, and that is why they are listening them again and again. Even I personally watch a lot of YouTubers. I'm listening again the same content because when I'm listening that, I feel like that I'm learning something. So
obviously,
if we
yeah.
want to do that much hard work, if we can make ourselves on that level, then definitely you will get success in this YouTube also, in this field also. But obviously,
So
every person is having conversational videos, so it's not that popular. Give me 1 second. Let me
yeah.
turn off my fan. Yeah. Now I think it's fine.
Well, I have turned off my fan and I'm sweating a lot.
No, actually, I was taking another session before this call. So that time my fan was off. So I was like sweating all over. So I thought, okay, let's turn it on for a few minutes. Now I make it like turn off.
And whenever I have my sessions, that time I turn off my fan and I sweat a lot. And people say me that you are working hard. I say that no, I'm not working hard. Maybe daily half an hour I am practicing.
Yeah, half an hour is not a big deal. We can sit. You see, I'm spending many hours in the kitchen without having fan. So at least I
Yeah,
can do it here when it is related with my career, with my success. It is very important for me. So we have to do it. Even I used to do it from a very long time. Whenever I'm creating a video, I have this habit to turn off the fan. That's fine. We
yeah.
can do it.
So okay, so I was watching a video. Then it was your video, and maybe that conversation was with uh, Asutosh sir, I think. So you were saying that you
Okay.
just whenever you cook, you practice English, like in your mind, you think in English language, and you you open your laptop, then you log in because like you are an advocate, so that's why like you are multitasking, you are managing so many things together.
Yeah, because I love to do. When you love your work, it doesn't feel burden for you. It feels like that you're enjoying. So, make your profession something which like you enjoy to do. I love YouTube, so I'm enjoying it. Whenever I feel tired, I start having conversation to make myself fresh. So obviously I'm going to put 100% here because this is something my hobby. People, I'm not
Yeah.
thinking that this is a work for me. I feel that this is a kind of enjoyment for me. And that's how I'm able to manage. Whenever I get free with my household chores, my kids, like my younger one is sleeping right now.
Yeah.
And the older one is in the camp. So now I'm, free for whole day. I can take sessions as long as he's sleeping. So it's like me time for me.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what else you are doing to improve your English? So you dropped the idea of posting conversational video on your channel? Are you going to start something new?
No, not now. Not now. Maybe after finishing my exams and all after that. Yeah,
Oh,
right now I don't have time, so that's why. And it takes
oh,
long time to make videos, to create content and making script and all. Everything will take it will consume our time. So I'm thinking that after 1 month I have exams, so after that I will start.
yeah,
But I
focus
don't
on
know
your
what will happen.
exam. But one thing I would like to suggest you, like
Exam
being a
is
YouTuber,
January.
I am on YouTube from last 2 to 3 years now, so I have experienced one thing that creating video on English is taking
Hmm?
less time as compared to other content. As you know that I
Yeah,
have another channel, so
conversational
it takes a
videos
lot of
don't
time.
take.
Sorry.
Yeah, but these conversational videos don't take long time. But if you want to create a particular content like that, how to improve, like that time we need to think that what kind of things we are going to
Yes.
say in YouTube. And
Yes.
most of the
Yes.
time what I at first I record, then I don't like that, then I retake the video again. So it takes long time. And I'm new, and so that's why I feel a little bit nervous whenever I make videos. So that's why I take time. But whenever I will be habituated, that time it will not take long time.
But you know what? Even if you're creating individual solo content related to English, that will take less time as compared to other field of YouTube. For example, if you started
Mm.
a cooking channel, you have to spend a lot of time in cooking, recording, and editing. Then only you can post a video. If you will start a vlog
Yeah,
channel, you have to vlog whole day, and then you have to edit and all. It will take again a lot of time. So I found this
yeah.
creating conversation, having conversation, creating even your own content. It is much easier as compared to the other fields of YouTube. So that is why I'm putting my 100% here because I'm getting two benefits. One, like YouTube channel is working. Second, I'm improving a lot. Like day by day, I'm learning new things and talking to somebody. So that is the reason I'm putting 100%. So you can also try it for some time. If it doesn't work for you, then you can change. Then you can choose anything you like to do.
Yeah, even I was thinking that I will create grammatical videos. Grammar, like when we can use am, is, are, have, has, this kind of grammar lessons I will teach, I was thinking. But I found that lot of grammar lessons videos are there. So I thought that it will not work. But I don't know what will happen. We have to try
No,
at least. Yeah, we can't say
you
that.
you you have to change your thinking process. Even though there are a
Uh,
lot of grammatical videos, you can teach grammar in your own style. People don't watch the grammar, actually they watch the way the person is teaching. For example, if somebody is teaching
yeah,
in Hindi, I may be able to understand easily. If somebody is teaching in English, I may not be able to understand. Somebody is teaching in difficult manner, somebody is teaching in easy manner, somebody is putting so much example while giving teaching. So people learn various ways. They want to understand
yeah,
one concept in different ways, like how he's explaining, how she's explaining it. They watch 10 videos and they will understand. Okay, this one thing is common in all of them, so I think I need to focus on this. So don't think that there is a lot of competition and other people are teaching grammar. You just put your 100%. Maybe people love your style, maybe people love the style you are teaching. So that is important. If you will keep thinking about the competition like many people are doing it, you won't be able to do anything in that scene. Because many people are
Yeah.
doing vlogging as well. So why people are going to watch you? It
Mm-hmm.
only
Because
depends, like, yeah.
because they are learning something from blogging channel, like suppose somebody is making English blogs, so that time we are learning day to day conversation from blogging channels. So that's really very helpful. And in your case, you have become a, you can say, great fluent speaker. So that is why people are watching your videos, because people want to listen to fluent speaker. Like suppose if I have conversation with other people, I am not that much fluent yet, I can't say that I am really fluent. So people will not watch my videos, people will go for better option, obviously.
Don't focus on views, just focus on yourself, focus on your improvements. Gradually when you will improve, you will become fluent, people will automatically start watching your videos. If you will keep focusing on the people, like they're not watching me, I'm not getting views. I used to do it initially when I was the beginner in this YouTube field, but then I realized when I'm putting my 100%, I'm making my content good, then people are coming to watch you. The moment
Yeah.
I have seen that I have reduced the number of my grammatical errors, so now people are watching me. Earlier when I was making a lot of grammatical errors, people are not that consistent. Sometimes I got 500 views, sometimes I got 1000, but now I have maintained a level that any video if I'm posting, I will get above 1000 at least. So it depends upon you.
Mm-hmm.
You just do your hard work, upgrade the skill, people will come to you. And you're doing
Yeah.
a good job. You're good. Your speaking skills are good. I don't feel that you're not speaking fluently. You are fluent.
No, yeah, I also feel that I am fluent, but not each and every time. Sometimes I get stuck. Sometimes I need to think that. Sometimes I don't get words that which word we should use at that particular sentence. So that's that time it takes long time.
I have an
Like
idea for that.